In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own AI clone for videos using ElevenLabs. It's a straightforward process that will take only a few minutes, and I'll guide you through each step for a smooth experience. Let's get started. First things first, we're going to begin by heading over to the ElevenLabs website. You can easily find this by entering ElevenLabs AI voice generator into your search engine or going directly to their site. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. But if you do, just click on the Sign In button. This will allow you to access all the features you'll need for creating your AI clone. After successfully logging in, you'll be on the ElevenLabs homepage. It's the main hub where all the magic happens, so get yourself comfortable with the layout. From here, you need to look for an option that says Create or Clone a Voice. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the section where you can work on designing your voice. Next, it's time to dive into the voice design area. This part is crucial as it will allow you to customize and tweak the voice exactly to your liking. You can explore various features that let you modify the tone, speed, and other characteristics of the voice you're about to create or clone. Take your time here to ensure the voice meets your needs and expectations. Now, once you're ready to prompt your design, click on the Prompt button. In this section, you'll be able to input or record specific voice samples that will be used to create your AI clone. Make sure your audio is clear and of good quality to get the best output possible. Consider the context in which you will use this voice clone, as it will help guide the adjustments you make during this stage. As a handy tip, remember that voice cloning is a creative process, and there's plenty of room to experiment. Feel free to try out different settings to see what works best for the voice you envision. If needed, you can always go back and make further adjustments to perfect your AI clone. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating your AI clone for videos in ElevenLabs. With these tools and a little bit of creativity, you're well on your way to enhancing your projects with personalized AI-generated voices. Thanks for joining me today, and happy cloning!